Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are deciding between Webull and Interactive Brokers in 2026, you need to know exactly how they stack up in real-world trading. I've broken down the user experience, fees, and tools to help you decide. No sponsorships, no fluff, just the facts. Let's start with Webull. In terms of platform and usability, Webull still leads with a modern, highly intuitive interface. It is incredibly smooth on mobile, making it perfect for trading US stocks, ETFs, and options on the go. You get clean charts, solid indicators, and a platform that is very easy to navigate. However, if you need deep international market exposure or serious long-term portfolio management, Webull might fall a bit short. On the flip side, we have Interactive Brokers, or IBKR. This platform is a powerhouse. It offers unparalleled global market access across more than 30 countries. You get best-in-class research, custom order types, and highly advanced trading tools. The trade-off? The learning curve is steep. While functional and constantly updating, the interface can still feel overwhelming for new users. It's built for power, not just aesthetics. Now, let's talk fees. Webull is fully commission-free for US stocks and options. You only pay the standard SEC or FINRA regulatory fees. Interactive Brokers offers a light plan with zero commissions on US trades, but their Pro plan is where they shine. The Pro plan uses tiered pricing, offering incredible flexibility, some of the lowest margin rates in the industry, and cheap currency conversion if you trade internationally. So, which one is right for you? If you want a clean, frictionless experience for US-based trading, Webull is an excellent beginner-friendly entry point. But if you are an advanced investor who needs global access, robust tools, and low margin rates, Interactive Brokers is simply on another level. That's our 2026 breakdown. If this ClearTask review helped you make a decision, hit the like button and subscribe for more direct, no-nonsense guides. See you in the next video. No.